while the Office of the Vice President, the DBM, proposed or recommended a budget of 2.037 billion for the OVP. Kami naman po, ang Committee on Appropriations yesterday recommended, to be exact, 733,198 million pesos, which means merong cut of 1.293159 billion pesos. At ang reduction na yan ay ililipat po sa dalawang ahensya. And as I had mentioned earlier, for two programs, the DSWD-AX program, which is the Assistance for Individuals in Crisis Situations, and DOH MAIFIP,